Nothing, the prominent British manufacturer that has conquered the world of mobile devices with its revolutionary designs, is about to make its mark once again with the launch of its latest and most anticipated smartphone, the Nothing Phone 2A. This device promises to excel in terms of performance, camera quality, and much more. But before we proceed, can you press the subscribe button with your elbow in less than 3 seconds? Did you manage to do it? Perfect! Let's continue. The Nothing Phone 2A will retain the most cherished features of its predecessor, the Nothing Phone 2, while maintaining its distinctive design, but with some changes. Additionally, it will be launched at a more affordable price than other models from the brand. According to the latest leaks, this device will feature the iconic transparent design that characterizes the brand, although it will do away with the LED system on the back. In terms of performance, it will be powered by the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 7200 processor with 8 cores at 2.8 GHz. It will be available in 2 configurations, 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, or 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. It will also feature a 5000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging. The rear camera system will include a 50-megapixel Samsung sensor, while the display will be an impressive 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with a Full HD resolution and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The date marked on the calendar for the unveiling of this highly anticipated device is March 5th, during the Nothing Fresh Eyes event, which will be live-streamed on the brand's official website. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and give it a like for more updates. Until next time!